Madhya Pradesh aims for 100% pass rate in board exams by 2030. Bihar's first sports university gets UGC recognition. Probe ordered after 80 girls forced to remove shirts in Jharkhand school. Over 3 crore registered for Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025. Ohio State University faces backlash over $13 million DEI spendings.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top education news are: Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav announced a goal of achieving 100% pass rate for class 10 and 12 students by 2030. This target was revealed during the launch of Swami Vivekananda Yuva Shakti Mission, which coincided with National Youth Day. The mission's aim is to empower youth, focusing on education, skill development, and socio-economic growth. It sets 3 key goals: ensuring youth incomes meet or exceed minimum skilled worker levels, ensuring all youths complete class 12, and fostering 20% youth participation in social initiatives by 2030. The mission's motto is Atma Deepo Bhava, Samvad Samarthya Samriddhi, promoting self-reliance and self-guidance. Bihar has taken a major step in sports education, with University Grants Commission granting official recognition to its first sports university in Rajgir. This milestone enables the university to offer academic programs in physical education and sports science. Inaugurated by its Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on National Sports Day in 2023, the university is a part of the International Sports Complex in Rajgir. Starting in 2025-26 academic session, courses will include diplomas in sports coaching, yoga, and a 4-year Bachelor of Physics education program. The BPED course requires approval from National Council of Teacher Education. This recognition is a significant boost to Bihar's sports development. A private school in Dhanbad, Jharkhand is under investigation after over 80 class 10 girls were allegedly forced to remove their shirts as a punishment for writing farewell messages during a Pen Day celebration. The girls were celebrating their last day before board exams, were reportedly sent home wearing only their blazers, causing distress and outrage among parents. Deputy Commissioner confirmed the formation of probe committee, which includes various officials to investigate the incident. Parents are demanding strict action against the principal for the humiliation caused, while local leaders including MLA Ragini Singh have called for her arrest and resignation. The incident has raised concerns about the mental health and dignity of students. Over 3 crore students, 19.6 lakh teachers, and 5.9 lakh parents have registered for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025, a program aimed at addressing exam stress and promoting educational discussions. Registrations began on December 14, 2024 and closed on Jan 14, 2025. This year's event features an online MCQ competition where participants can ask questions about exams, stress, career, and life goals. PM Modi will engage with students, teachers, and parents, offering guidance on managing stress and supporting children's aspirations. The main event, set to take place at Bharat Mandap in New Delhi, will provide 2,500 students with special PPC 2025 kits. Ohio State University (OSU) has sparked controversy with its annual $13 million expenditure on diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives, that is DEI. This budget funds DEI departments, staff salaries, and controversial courses like sexualities and citizenship, and queer ecologies, which have polarized opinions. While advocates view these initiatives as necessary for promoting equity, critics argue that funds are misused, especially given the high salaries for DEI leaders, some earning over $30,000. OSU spending also includes external payments to organizations and grants for research supporting diversities. The debate is intensifying, with critics including OU's Vice President elect J.D. Vance calling for security of university funding amid growing concentrated backlash against DEI programs. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.